Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sumi's Kashmiri kitchen and flower garden. Today I cutted all pickles which I have planted in my kitchen garden so that I will make them dry. We took it and my mama helped me, and I brought these pickles and we kept it in sunlight for drying for the winter purpose. And see, this is my flowers. These are canna lily, and this mirabilis jalapa. This is rose flower, and these are all canna lilies which I have planted myself with the help of Almighty. Today I thought I will show my this park to you. And I have taken bottle gourd from kitchen garden. I cooked it nicely and it became very tasty in a simple manner. I fried it and added all kitchen masala, Kashmiri masala, red chili powder, zira powder, salt according to taste, turmeric powder half spoon. In a simple way I prepared this so that I will show you today my cooking a little, and I will show you my park and the kitchen garden. This bottle gourd I have taken it from my kitchen garden which I planted for myself. I'm adding this ginger garlic paste to it, and I kept it in steam for 20 minutes and it got prepared. See how I kept it. Now I'm showing this garden again. This is Mirabella jalapa. You can plant it by seeds also if you collect its seeds. See, these are I washed clothes also today. I did work. I will show my gladia. These are gladia in the center, and this is a pine tree. These are gladia. I will show other flowers also. I will show it. These are salvia, Kashmiri salvias, which I brought from market. These are yellow flowers. I don't know what name they have. And see my garden. It was cloudy day. I was cutting this dead flowers also. See, this is Mirabella jalapa. Evening 4 o'clock flowers. During evening they sprout out, bloom easily. Their timings during their blooming time is 4 o'clock. These are canna lilies, green in color and red in color. I have planted once and my bottle got ready. I kept it steam for 20 minutes.
Thank you. Bottle
Today I thought I'll show my work also. My I was drinking water, glass of water. I don't know which flower this is. Hope you will like my video. You will encourage me and you will subscribe. Allah.